Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PES. First, let's cover the fundamental controls. You'll want to get comfortable with player movement using the left stick and precise passing with the X button on PlayStation or a button on Xbox. Shooting is typically done with the square or B button, while defending involves using the X or a button for pressure and the circle or B button for a standing tackle. Practice these basics to build a strong foundation. Once you've got the basics down, let's talk about offense. Through balls, often executed with the triangle or Y button, are crucial for breaking defensive lines. Combine these with 1-2 passes, pressing L1 or LB and X or A to quickly move the ball upfield. Don't forget to use skill moves, often involving the right stick, to beat defenders and create space for shots or crosses. Effective attacking requires good timing and vision. Now, let's shift our focus to defense, which is just as important as offense. Use team pressing by holding R1 or RB to put pressure on the opponent. Manually switching players with L1 or LB allows you to control the defender closest to the ball or in the best position. Focus on blocking passing lanes and anticipating your opponent's next move to intercept the ball. A strong defense prevents easy goals. Finally, let's look at some advanced tips to elevate your game. Don't be afraid to experiment with different formations and custom tactics to find what suits your playstyle best. Practice set pieces, including free kicks and corners, as they can be game changers. The best way to improve is to play regularly against diverse opponents, learning from both wins and losses. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.